Dukeys. Excuse me. Hey guys, I bet you're wondering why I'm in this storm drain. Well, it's actually pretty simple. I came down here to get this pumpkin, because in this video, we're gonna carve a really spooky and realistic Halloween pumpkin. So, let's do that.
Okay, after selecting your pumpkin, the first step is to stab it right in the skull in order to remove its brains. But don't let those go to waste, oh no, put them in your pants. Print off its face, cutting out the eyes and mouth. Now you have a template that you can draw out your pattern. After cutting out the 3 face holes, use your scalpel to remove a small area of flesh around the eyes. Look at my balls. Using one as a reference, scoop out some flesh from behind the eyes so they fit perfectly. After painting, print off some irises, cut them out, then glue them on. Now you could totally use Mod Podge gloss for this step, but I decided to go with a 2-part epoxy resin to make the eyes look extra juicy. Now using some pink Super Sculpey, cut off a piece and start to sculpt it into sort of a C shape. Then smoosh it into his mouth so that it fits perfectly. Now to make the teeth, we're going to be using some moldable plastic. Boil some water, pour in a bowl, and they're ready once clear. Pinch off a booger, roll on one side until you have a pointed taper. Then repeat. Now stab the teeth into the gums to create dimples that we can glue the teeth into later. Repeat on the upper jaw. Using more clay, roll out a worm that's pointy on both ends to make the lower lip. And here's one for all my trypophobes out there. Using the pattern as a reference, we'll sculpt his enormous schnoz. Bake everything for 30 minutes at 275 freedom units. Now I know after all this hard work you may be tempted to eat the remaining pumpkin guts on the floor. But instead, why not have a delicious homemade meal from today's sponsor, HelloFresh. If you didn't already know, HelloFresh is the place to get mouth-watering seasonal recipes and fresh pre-measured ingredients delivered right to your door. America's #1 meal kit, HelloFresh makes cooking at home fun, affordable, and so easy even teenage kids can make them. HelloFresh makes eating well easier with many family-friendly, calorie-smart, pescatarian, and veggie options every week. Plus, every recipe is packed with fresh produce sourced directly from farmers. Their pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. If you love affordable, delicious food that's easy to make, click the link in the description or go to HelloFresh.com and use code BobbyDuke14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. I've been using HelloFresh for a while now, and I've literally never been sent something that was not incredibly delicious. Also, they're a great way to break out of that rut, from cooking the same things over and over. Seriously, do yourself a favor and go click the link in the description or go to HelloFresh.com and use code BobbyDuke14 to get 14 free meals plus free shipping. Thanks again so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. After thanking your daughters for making sustenance, do not grab the hot pan because I'm an idiot. Once you finish painting the nose and lip, take a look at these naughty teeth, definitely too white. To remedy, take some orange dilute alcohol dye, paint all over the surface, then taking a rag, wipe away just the tip, then fade back, creating sort of an ombre effect. Now taking super glue, glue the teeth in place. Oh, hello. Using red and black food coloring, paint around the eyes and the inside. Excuse me. Then contact cement the juicy lip. While the glue dries, we'll use some dilute paint to dab on some eyeshadow. Once done painting the face, cut off some bamboo skewers a few inches long. Then use them to attach the teeth and gums. Like that. Now attach the eyes using the remaining bamboo skewer. And for the hair, I just cut a wig on the seams, then glued in place with contact cement. Then some oil for gloss, and now you're finished. Oh, there's something I forgot I must tell you. I believe that if you use the hollowed out corpse of a previously living thing just to make art for the internet, sometimes that thing remembers, and it will want revenge.
Hey honey, I'm going on a walk.
Whoa! Dude, it's like some kind of old building. Let's go check it out. Hey, go. All kinds of crap. What? What in the world? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, what in the world? What? Look at it. There's nothing there. Oh, hell no.
Please. Excuse me. No. Hiya, Bobby. Excuse me.